Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Marco, and this is ICAP, the National Commercial Archeology Preservation Group, talking about business, commercial, retail, history, and news. First of all, for the news, Friday will come to an end. You better find your pharmacy nearest you. You want that. Okay, this week we're talking about all the death brand of each segment of different kind of business. Like yesterday, I talked about boat brand. I'm shocked. Some of them just closed 5 years ago. Like Ranker, Hurricane, Bannigan Boat. Polaris closed them up. Horrible. Today we're going to talk about, because like the weather and all, bringing out your lawnmower. Alright, not me. I have somebody doing the lawn. No HOA for me. Good. Praise the Lord. Alright, okay. Now, what's going on is that there are some lawnmower companies going out of business. Many of them started out in the mid-century. Many businesses came out in the mid-century, especially snowmobiles and lawnmowers at that time. Alright. There's some still operational today, like Ernst, John Deere, many of those two are out there for renting out the lawnmower. I'm not talking about professional lawnmower. Like the Bad Boy. You know that Bad Boy is the American May. It's still operational today. But it looks more like it's for professional. Because they have their handlebars like that. Because they shift like that. Not turning like that. It's the only American made product. Oh yeah. Get all the other brands are born in May now. Let's talk about that brand. Remember Murray? People think it's MTD now. No, it's not. It's Machine Tools and Die. That's the real name. Those are the ones that brought out a lot of companies that manufacture lawnmowers. But MTD was sold to Stanley Black & Decker. Stanley Black & Decker brought out a lot of companies. Tool, lawnmowers, household product. That's Black & Decker. Remember the Dustbuster and all that? Yeah. Under Stanley now. Okay. Many companies have brought out. Let's talk about more of that brand. Remember Lawn Boy? Yeah. Green with gold trim. Like that. It makes me of Archeology LT Gray. Back in 1980, it was that color. I wish Archeology would come up with that. Beautiful color. The nearest Toy Bell. They said it's still around, but it's not. Not really. It's sold to another company. I think it was under MTD. I have my paper somewhere. I just thought I got, but I can't find it. To be honest, it's right on there. Murray with the sheep one, like with the Murray Bicycle company. Same company. I think it's split up. It was intended for department stores, home improvement stores, like hardware stores. Let's see what else. That's Ericsson, John Deere right now. They do those. General Lecture. They used to be a lawnmower company. I know the name Lecture. It sounds like they make recreational and power sport, but it's not. They had lawnmower. It was sold to ICAP. ICAP back then wanted to expand to a lot of different Diekman and other enterprises back then, including snowmobile, boat. They had several lines. The cat, that's the lawnmower. It only ran 1 year for the lawn. Didn't do too well, so they sold it completely. ICAP today, it's only snowmobiles and alternative vehicles. They never had boats. They had watercraft. Twice. The wet bike and then the tiger truck. Two totally different division. In outboard. Spirit. Okay. I mentioned all the dead brands with an ICAP. Alright, let's see what else they had. They had some really unusual name I never heard of. Many of them were foreign. There's the oldest, the oldest lawnmower company. 17-something. 1700. Lawnmower, 1700. I think that they used the old-fashioned push mower. I mean, it spins as you put. There's a lot of physical demand for that. Nobody likes that. When by the early 20th century, he finally had a single cylinder engine, small gas engine, 2-stroke. Then they had it, the lawnmower. They did the word Bolden, the same brand used to make snowmobiles. Gilson, that's another snowmobile brand too. They also make lawnmower. They were the founder of Bullet. Gilligan had his own as well. Let's see. That's why Bolin snowmobile looked more like a lawnmower. Oh yeah. But a little different. We drive like that. The track at the front, ski at the back. It's a little weird. I see it on YouTube. You see, a lot of lawnmower company also started snowmobiles too, because the same engine. All they do fine tune it a little faster. There you go. They built the rest of the slot. Lawnmower companies used to make snowmobiles there's ICAP, but they brought it. It's different. John Deere. Yeah. John Deere snowmobiles. Lawnmower. Interesting about John Deere. There's two different John Deeres actually. You read shocked. Yeah. MTD makes smaller John Deere lawnmower. the little bigger ones, all the way up the giant farm tractor that John Deere, they make their own. But the little one, the push mower and some of the riding mower, that one, it's MTD, not John Deere. It's a contract. It's the name. And it's under them too. Practically almost all under MTD. That's why a lot of people like Honda, because they refuse to be sold to MTD. There you go. Now, let's see, I'm trying to remember because I can't find my let. Who else has lawnmower? Some of the DAP brands, yeah. Boat, lawn and snow. Like I said, Bowler, Gibson. Can't remember the others, but let's move on. Craftsman, it's Deere. Deere's gone. The name continues, but I don't think they make lawnmowers anymore. That was MTD engine. That's why everything was in a part. Oh yeah, because I remember I had 2 different lawnmowers, 2 different brands. Like the exact same wheel, like the same engine parts and everything. It's exchangeable. Good. I put it on the other. It's fine. Because it's exactly the same. It's just a different name. Dynamark. I remember Dynamark. Every time I get the Sunday paper or weekly newspaper, I do the paper wheel, or even the Eco newspaper, weekly newspaper. Right on the cover of the advertisement, Dynamark, for one of those stores. I can't remember what store. Maybe 8, maybe one of those hardware stores like Grossman back then. Wow. That's another brand. It's another Wheel Hort. That's the one that used to make snowmobiles too. Short-lived though. That's pretty much everybody had those. Yeah. There were a lot of other brands, but never heard of it. I'm not going to include that. Like I said, the oldest one, it's Ransom from Britain. It's still making lawnmowers today. That's old. That's 250-year-old lawnmower company. Now it's beating Hudson Bay, which is going out of business after 336 years. No, 336 years. Gone. Alright. I think that's it on the lawnmower. Tomorrow we're going to talk about RVs. Good. Let's do also. Enjoying cutting the lawn. Smell the grass cut. I know the noise. Ah! Keep your pets inside safe while you're cutting the lawn. Matter of fact, yeah. Wear your shoes. Steel tip-toed bet. Alright. Thanks. I care about you guys. Do it right. Ciao.